Hi, welcome back to Invincible 86. Myself, KM Naidu. Namaskara, Namaste, Vanakkam. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಉಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬ. ಸೊ ಉಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು తెలుగు వాళ్ళకి ఉగాది పండుగ రోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'll be continuing part 2 video of Motor Store, that is First Gear. So with no further delay, here we go.
Okay, so
gloves compartment.
we deal with Racer, Mototech, Bike-Rati and Vietara. So the starting price of the gloves what we have is from 2000 and then it goes up to 6000. So we also have waterproof gloves from Bike-Rati. And
Which one is that?
so the Meridian is the waterproof from Bike-Rati.
Okay.
And which is about around 4K. And we also have Vietara, if you see here. So it's a full gauntlet which is 5000.
Okay.
So the best part about the Vietara is like the quality what they have maintained. So Vietara, if you know about it, it is manufactured in Vietnam, where Revit is getting manufactured.
Okay.
Right. So
Revit, in fact, it's an Australian brand, is it?
It
So yeah.
Right.
So this very gloves is getting manufactured. I mean, the Vietara gloves is getting manufactured same where the Revit is getting
The same
manufactured.
warehouse where Revit is getting manufactured.
Okay, that's fantastic.
And the best part of the Vietara comes with a Knox protector and also have a pinky bridge. So most of the
True,
gloves you don't see a pinky bridge coming in.
Definitely.
So this is one thing like when they have come out with, and
That's
the comfortability is too good, and you can also see the Knox protector at the back. So this is a full gauntlet. So this is the Knox protector. What do you see?
wow. This is really good, and I can assure everyone who is picking up this gloves, they're gonna keep their palm and their fist, as protective as possible.
And also this is the full gauntlet, and they have a half gauntlet also, which comes with a mesh and the regular leather with a Knox protector.
Okay. So this very gloves can be probably used during summer. So
yes.
yeah, so that it'll be like
the
nearly
price-
80 to like around 40 to 50% of air ventilation.
Air ventilation is there.
So-
Yes. And the price range is also pretty reasonable. It's about around 2,899.
Okay.
So a very comfortable gear
Okay.
as well. So and then races starts from 3.5 and it goes up to 4.5 to 5.
Okay.
So that is what we have.
So Racer, I think it's a
It's a
France
France product. Comes with
Okay.
a D3O protection. So if people who are not aware about D3O, it's basically a viscous fluid. So for example, like you see a Bike-Rati protector here. So the material is such that you might feel you won't feel that very hard as such. It's very soft.
Yeah.
So basically, what happens is on your fall, on the impact, it just hardens out. So that's the material what they have used,
Okay.
and it's very comfortable gloves what they have manufactured.
Very nice. So and the price range starts from for races.
From 3.5 and it goes up to 5.
Okay.
So yeah, that's about it. And Bike-Rati again, we have 3 different variants. The old school fully leather. It starts from
Wow,
2,800.
that's good. Classic.
Classic.
Yeah, for it'll really good. Looks good on
Like your
cafe races.
cafe races,
probably. Yeah.
Bonnie.
Definitely.
So that is something. And you also have wind with mesh. It's about around 3,200.
Okay.
And the waterproof, as I mentioned earlier, it's about 4K.
Okay.
So that's about it. And we also deal with RAM. Yes. So one of the fastest moving product with us is RAM. We are one of the main dealers for RAM. Any product on RAM we have available.
Okay.
So this is the quick grip from RAM, and this is the X grip. What you're aware of, right? So and also we recently came out with a clamp for 390 Adventure. So on the top of your speedometer console, so you have this plastic which is replaced by this metal part, and with that we fix the diamond base, and then all you have to do is, so this is the plastic clamp what is there on the vehicle, so which is replaced with the metal clamp.
Okay.
Okay, so we provide, I mean, we also provide this RAM diamond base ball mounted to it. With that, like, I mean, you can either fix the RAM X grip or the the quick grip.
Quick grip.
So the best part about RAM, you are, I mean, most of the people, they are aware of it as the sturdiness, and it's all a patented product, which is from USA.
Okay.
And you get with a lifetime warranty. Anything, any issues with the spring action and everything, like when you get it replaced.
Fantastic. So it's a lifetime warranty.
It's
actually.
a lifetime warranty.
Okay, that's the reason most of adventure bikers and everybody prefers to go for a RAM.
90%, yeah. 90. I mean, what I have seen, in fact, recently we have fitted a lot of this product to 390 Adventures and African Twin, Triumph Tiger. So many bikes, I would say. Okay. So most of them, like, I mean, they prefer. Most of my customers, they prefer either. There's a new thing, like, I mean, the quick grip. It's because of the sturdiness, which has a claws kind of a thing, right? So it's very sturdy. Like, I mean, if you see, it's very hard to even pull out the spring action.
In fact, yes.
Right. So even if you're doing a speed about around 120 plus, like, I mean, there's no shaky, there's no vibration as such. So that is something, like, I mean, always people will look for.
Exactly.
Right. So it's
so unless until it is unstable road, then that is when you may feel.
Even in the unstable road we have tested it. So even in the unstable road, during the off-road kind of the scenarios, like, I mean, we have tested it. The phone never dismantled out of it.
Okay.
So that is something, like, which we can vouch for.
Okay, that's fantastic.
So apart from that, yes.
You also deal with air filters, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. The BMC air filters.
So we also deal with BMC air filters. So at the back, what you are seeing, the off-road red light bar, what you are seeing is the Rawstone auxiliary lights.
Okay.
So which is about 40 watts.
40 watts. Can you just show us?
Yeah, I can show you. In fact, I can just figure out and show you. So it's pretty sturdy. And it's pretty huge.
Okay.
And they come with a yellow filament as well.
Wow. So, which you can probably, I think that filament can be removed, I believe.
It is.
It is removable. So, you can probably use it during, when it's a foggy, you can just use the yellow lens.
Exactly.
And then during normal condition, you can just take it off.
Take it out and then you can just remove it.
Very nice. And what's the cost of it?
A piece costs you about 8,000 rupees.
Okay. So, it's quite similar to rigid lights, isn't it?
Which is quite similar to rigid.
Yeah. Very nice. And I also see that there are a couple of intercoms.
Intercoms, yes. Parani. We also have Senna.
Okay.
So Senna currently the fastest moving is the 5S what we have. On request, like, I mean, yes, we do get other products as, like, I mean, EVO or 30K kind of products. Parani, yes, it is funded by Senna.
Okay.
Which is very reasonable price and one of the fastest moving currently with the four riders can pair together, which costs you about around 6,000 rupees.
Okay.
So one of the fastest moving intercoms right now, which is Parani.
Parani, so, because of the cost effective.
Which is cost effective, and yes, I mean it has a LCD display.
Okay.
Very user friendly, and it also up to 1.2 miles. People can have intercom communication, and then it also supports FM.
Wow, that's fantastic. Okay.
Yeah, so that is another add-on. And coming to Mad Dogs, yeah, the auxiliary lights. Like, I mean, these are the new additions from Mad Dogs. Basically, one is Delta and the other one is Alpha.
Okay.
So this is Alpha. So I'll just quickly show you. So Alpha is one of the killer what they have produced recently. This is 30% flood and 70% spot. So just to show you, if you just happen to see this part of here, like, I mean, if it is shown this way that how this flood is working. The first 30% is the flood, and the rest is 70% is the spot. This is how it is shown.
Okay.
Right, and just to show you the lights, trust me, like, I mean, you will just go bonkers because the way these guys have come out, really awesome. So this is the lights what they have come out with the 6 LEDs.
Wow, that's really good. I think this is flood, is it? I mean, spot.
No, this is both.
Okay. So you can probably switch to
you don't
both.
have to switch. You don't have to switch. So
Okay.
So the way they have
Designed it
is like, I mean, the first initial 30%
Okay.
will give you a full flood,
Okay.
and then the next 70% will throw you a
Spot.
So that's how it is designed.
That's really good actually, because when I had been to Fastest GQ, I was sponsored by Rigid Industries.
Oh, nice.
I mean, the lights were given by 4x4, which we had it near Queens Road.
Okay.
Not near, I think it's near Commercial Street. They had 4x4 store. So in fact, Rigid had one flood and the other one is spot. So, but this is something unique one which does both the jobs together.
They have
So
come out with a very
that's really
product,
good
seriously.
actually.
So
Yeah.
that's what, like, I mean, earlier they had very small product like 3 LEDs and 4 LEDs, some kind of thing, which is Scout and Scout X. So now they have come out with 2 more addition, which is Delta and Alpha. So they also are providing filters for this, which cost about around 1,600 rupees, which is extra.
Okay.
Wherein, like, I mean, you will have 3 different filters which comes in. One is black, which to close out entirely. And you
Okay.
also have a white and also a yellow.
Okay.
So-
So you mean to say the lens?
The lens,
Okay.
the covering lens.
The
basically.
covering lens, like
Yes.
how we had in this very light,
Right,
from Mad Dogs, I believe.
from Rostron.
Okay, from Rostron.
From Rostron.
Similar thing they also provide.
They also provide, and
Okay.
it's very like, I mean, how do I describe it? So we also have one for Scout X. So this is the rubber housing what they provide. So the rubber housing, I don't have it currently for the Alpha, but this is how the rubber housing is provided.
Okay.
So on the rubber housing, like, I mean, if you just open it up a bit, like, I mean, you can insert the filaments inside.
Okay,
So and then you can just attach it to your lights.
that's
So
good.
it's that easy,
Okay, that's
and it's easy to removable as well.
true.
So that is one, and we also deal with X7 LED light bulb.
Okay.
So in case if anybody wants to, remove the halogen, regular halogen, and then go with a
X7.
X7, or this is something similar to your aux beam kind of LED.
Okay.
So yeah, pretty rigid. Like, I mean, the output is really amazing. So it's a
Nice.
warm white what you get with.
And what's the
And-
cost of it? X7?
So X7 a single piece would be around 3,500.
3,500.
Yes.
Okay. And a Mad Dog Delta?
Okay, so Mad Dog Delta, it's a square shape. I'll just figure it out. Okay, so this is a 4 LED, which is almost like your raw stone, kind of a little heavy stuff.
Yeah. It's quite a heavy one.
Yes.
And this is 4 LEDs, isn't it?
This is 4 LEDs.
Okay. Nice. And the cost of it?
9,000 changes the alpha, and 7.5 changes the delta.
A Delta. So Alpha is 9.5 and the Delta is 7.5.
7.5. It's about 9,850 something it comes up.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's fantastic. And I think it's
Okay,
the
so
last one
we
is a
also-
helmet spray, is it? Or what
Okay,
is it?
so we also
Balaclava, sorry.
it's a balaclava, Mototech balaclava,
Okay.
and also the Komodo mount what we have, and then the auxiliary light wiring harness basically. So that is something, and we also have wiring harness from Mad Dog, and also we have the switch from Mad Dogs.
Okay.
So that is
So that will probably keep the batteries in safe place.
in safe. So
yeah.
it literally, like, I mean, if tomorrow if you feel that there is some issue with the battery, it doesn't happen because you have a relay in between, which
Yeah.
cuts out the
Excess power or
excess power,
fusing out
fusing
and things.
out and everything.
That's nice. And there is, I think it's a tire pressure.
It's a Sensory is a tire pressure monitor basically, which has come out pretty recently. So it's about like I tell you it's pretty handy for the bike. So it also has an app. All you have to do is just plug this buttons to your air pressure point, and then you can control it through your app.
Okay.
So with the tire pressure, how much, if you're doing any off-road kind of a thing, if you want to keep a less PSI, that you can always monitor it and keep it to the low.
Okay.
And again, if you want to increase it, so it keeps showing what is the variation and everything for each and every ride.
Okay.
Right. So that is something which is.
So, but when you so you fix that and you keep riding, or
You keep riding.
so it doesn't fall off.
It doesn't fall off.
So probably we'll screw it up.
It
Isn't
will
it?
screw it up. Yes.
Okay.
The last but not the least, we have
Is-
the Timson tires.
Timson tires. Okay.
So we cater different kind of tires. Only Timson tires we deal with.
Okay.
So most of it, we also have road as well as
Off-road.
off-road as well. So the tire what you see here, 659 here, 110, 70, 70. So this is a road tire, which is almost about 70% road and 30% off-road kind of a thing.
Okay.
And durability is too good. In fact, I am using it for my KTM 390.
Okay.
So durability is almost about the first pair of tire when I used it, which came to about around 12,000 kilometers.
Okay.
Generally with Medullus it is about
10
8
max.
Max is 8. I mean max is 10 is again
Yeah.
depending on your ride. How
Yeah.
you ride it.
How you ride it.
Right?
Yeah. Exactly.
So the max is about, I would say, about 8,000, 8,500 kilometers.
Yeah.
The
True.
threading start coming out. So you don't have that kind of issue. What you're facing. I mean, you will not face that kind of issues with the Timson tires.
Timson tires.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in fact, it's not only for KTM I'm talking about. We also have customers who have been using for Domina, and then African Twin versus Kawasaki versus, and Triumph Bonnie, and also Tiger. So there are quite a lot of different options which is available in the Timson tire market.
Fantastic. So when
So if you're looking for a pair, it should be around 11, 12 in
Oh.
that range.
it's really affordable when you
Really affordable.
compare to any other major brands like Meds or
Right.
Michelin, or be it Bridgestone or anything as such,
So
they're
for
really
a
good.
pair, as I mentioned, on the front and the back, it should be around 11 to 12. So that's about it.
That's fantastic. So you can probably get when you spend on Metzeler's or anything, any other brands like superior brands, premium brands, you can probably get 3 pairs of it.
Exactly.
So 3 pairs, you can probably, I think you can nearly make about 30 to 40,000 kilometers.
Right. See,
for the money.
Another thing, if I have to tell more about this is, you cannot compare the stock tire what company provides you.
Exactly.
Metzeler's, the way it holds up and
Definitely,
all these
definitely.
things. There is slight variations will always be there when you go for a different tires, right?
Definitely.
So in that case, what I have noticed is, so if you're doing about around 150 plus on these tires, there is a wobble which is there, 150, 160 plus, and apart from that, the road grips is too good, and cornering is also not an issue at all. But slightly on the wet, it slides out a bit.
Okay.
So slides out as in cornering, yes, slides out, and even if you're on a good speed about 150 plus, it slides.
It's not that stable.
It's not that stable.
Yeah. So as good as you're within 150 kilometers an hour, then you're safe.
You are safe.
Yeah. So if you push yourself more than 150, then it's going to be
It's going to be
haywire.
Yes.
Perfect. So this will be the last and not the least product. Of course, when you look at it, the price point of view and our usage point of view. So I think this tires, it makes really sense.
If your usage point of view, one of the thing to invest on, because like I mean the soft compound generally, like I mean, it wears out pretty faster.
Pretty
when it comes to
faster.
your Pirelli or your Metzeles and
Definitely.
right. So budget friendly, and then durability is there. So yeah, that's why most of them in Bangalore, what I've seen so far, like I mean, a lot of people, they have moved to
Timson. In fact, one of our neighbors, in fact, they picked up for Fortuner Timson tires.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so it's really worked out well in terms of pricing as well, and
nice.
it's pretty good. It's running really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And thank you so much, Vinayak, for explaining the complete products of your store. And thank you so much again.
Thank you.